Hi guys, today we're going to look at what is inside your PCV system, potentially if it's blocked or if it's not running right, if it's deteriorated and broke down. This is what we're dealing with. So I've scraped the inners out of these to show you how much was accumulated in there. I've got some still images which I'll drop in about now if my editing works. So now that you've seen those, this is where it all hides and gunks up. This still needs a good thorough clean up, but this was completely blocked. So yeah, wasn't breathing right. So we're fitting a oil catch can system today. I'll link the video below that I've done on that specifically. But yeah, if you're unsure, it's well worth checking because if it's not breathing right, it's not going to be running right. So yeah, well worth checking, and I hope that yours is in a little bit better condition than this one was. Cheers guys.